Good morning and welcome to Tropical Update number 5 for Tropical Storm Barry, pictured here in the latest water vapor graphic. As we can see, this storm is beginning to close around its core, which means it is strengthening. I am going to put a kind of an axis here. There's the right front quadrant of the storm, which is where myself and Mike in Mississippi would be located. So as you can see where I am with the blue dot, Mike just off to the left in Mississippi, the initial rain bands have started to come on shore. Again, this is going to be a heavy rainfall maker from where I am in Dauphin Island all the way into central coastal Louisiana. So the current forecast path is starting to close in. Again, I am where the yellow is, and Mike in Mississippi as well. So let's keep our eyes on this one and see what happens. All right, good morning, everyone. It is Friday, July the 12th, 2019, and I'm here for Tropical Update number 5 of Tropical Storm Barry. So this is my first update of today. Again, I'm in Dauphin Island, Alabama, which is a barrier island right off the coast of Alabama, and that direction is to my east. So Florida Panhandle, Gulf Shores, Alabama, that is my north in that direction, and my south is in that direction. So I'll make this one quick. The rain has started to come down. If you saw the initial graphics, you can see that the outside feeder bands are already making a little bit of noise here. So I'll zoom in and let you get a couple good looks. So we already have some storm surge pushing in. You can see that this lot next to me is starting to flood over, and we're still very early. So the rain is coming down already. Nothing bad, but I expect this to be a big rain event here. 5 to 7 inches of rain is not out of the question. So they changed the trajectory of this storm just a little while ago. And the storm is now moving at west-northwest at 5 miles per hour. And the barometric pressure dropped from 1,001 millibars last night to 998 millibars as of now. So the storm is now starting to push through a little bit of that wind shear that took the top half of the storm out of the subject yesterday, and is starting to close around and form a more concentric tight storm. So watch out. This storm is going to track to the west of us here in Dauphin Island, but we will get that northeastern, which is the heavier rain side. Again, I don't think the winds will get that fierce, but the rain event here could be something quite interesting to see. So again, keep your eyes peeled. This will be a long couple of days of slow-moving heavy rain from New Orleans to right here in Dauphin Island. So best of luck. And I will get to our tennis Wimbledon video here a little bit later on after the Rafael Nadal and Roger Federer match this afternoon. So the rain has started here, and we'll keep going throughout the day with updates every couple hours. So keep your eyes peeled on this one. Because it started. Take care, everyone. We will see you soon. Let's go. Have a great day. Stay positive. See ya. And I'll walk through. Just see, my house is 16 feet off the ground. So luckily, we have that space between ground and first floor in case there is any flooding. Okay, so I'm back above ground so you can get a look at what just a small amount of storm surge and rain accompanied with a high tide can do to our water level. So generally these bulkheads, ooh, it's a good wind. Generally these bulkheads are about 2 feet out of the water, and ours is built up an extra couple of feet. I just heard a transformer blow, but the other side is not. You can see it's over. And then here's where I was just standing down there. You can see it's well over that. But it started, and it should be like this for a couple of days. So let's keep our eyes peeled. And hey, stay tuned. Good luck, everyone, especially and the areas that are below sea level. We are about a foot above here, I think, 1 foot above sea level, maybe 2. The west end of this island is beneath sea level, so it floods quickly. So again, now that I'm up here, again, that's my east, that's my south, and the rain bands are moving in counterclockwise in this direction. So right now, this is basically what I'm going to anticipate here on the coast of Alabama, at least for the first half of the afternoon. I think as we move forward, the weather will go downhill quickly. You can see that these rain bands coming in from the east are starting to push in with more intensity. So the high tide this morning was at about 7:55 a.m. Central Standard Time. So it should go down and then begin to get higher this afternoon. So that is where myself and Mike are, again, in the northeastern quadrant of the storm. And here's again the vapor graphic, and that's where we are in the yellow. So we look like we can expect some heavy rainfall, maybe some gusty winds. I don't think it'll be that much of a wind factor here, but nonetheless, I think it's going to be a good storm. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. There's another alert for us here, so I'll check that out as well. Take care. See you guys soon.